Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting by finding the USB-C input and matching gear. First, identify whether the vehicle's port is native USB-C or a USB-A in a console. If it's USB-A, use a 12V adapter with USB-C PD. Next, check your device's required watts so you know if the car's port supplies enough power. Once done, plug in a certified USB-C cable. Make sure pins look undamaged. This quick verification prevents slow charging or unexpected disconnects while you now connect and set the active mode. Plug the cable all the way in. A partial connection causes intermittent power. Then, on your device, choose the right USB behavior. Charge only to preserve battery life or enable data if you want CarPlay or file transfer. If the car supports USB power delivery, the devices will negotiate wattage automatically. Watch the device's charging icon to confirm higher speed charging. Make sure apps that use data are permitted if you enabled transfer. You're completing the setup and handling common failures. Tuck the cable away so it won't get pulled while shifting. You want a stable connection. If charging doesn't start, swap cables first. A bad cable is the most common issue. Then try a different USB-C adapter or another device to isolate the fault. If data features fail, restart the car's infotainment system or reboot your device. Once rebooted, reconnect and confirm the correct USB mode to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.